Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. Now the first thing you have to do is open Facebook. Now from here tap on this profile icon and then scroll down, then go to friends. From here choose the person that you want to block. If you want to block this person, just tap on three dots and here you can see block profile option and you can block this person from here. You can also block this person from his profile. Just tap on this profile, then tap on three dots and here you can see block option, then just tap on block and block again and it's done. Now you can see the person is blocked now, then just tap on close. Now if you want to unblock this person, just tap on this icon, then tap on settings. From here scroll down, then go to blocking. Now from here you can find your block user. Now if you want to unblock this person, just tap on unblock, then tap on unblock again and it's done. And that is how you can block someone on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.